Tired of messy decimals cluttering your Tableau Public dashboards, but afraid to mess with your core data calculations? We're diving into the secrets of rounding those numbers for a clean look, without ever sacrificing the accuracy of your underlying calculations. First, let's look at our current sheet. We have sales and the profit margin, showing lots of decimal places. Let's begin by formatting the sales column. Right-click on the sales column header and select Format. This opens the formatting pane on the left-hand side. Select the Numbers section in the Format pane. In the drop-down for Number Automatic, choose the format you like, for example Currency Custom to keep the $sign, then adjust that default format to customize the number of decimal places in the Custom dialog box. Make sure to select 0 decimal places. Now zoom back to the sheet. You'll see the sales figures rounded to the nearest whole number. Now, we want the same appearance with profit margin. Right-click on the profit margin pill in the view, select Format this time, go back to the Numbers section. Follow the same steps as before with the sales column. Adjust your decimal places to the desired amount, and ta-da! Your view is now displaying both of the columns with your desired format and without interrupting your calculated data, all while still using the accurate calculation results in other areas of your workbook. That's it. You've successfully rounded your numbers for a polished dashboard without impacting the underlying precision. Like a surgeon, we only changed the outside, not the inside.